My name is Dr. Quaylan Allen. I use he, him pronouns. I do research in the areas of race, gender, class, and equity in education. I'm also a qualitative researcher using visual methodologies, particularly using participatory visual methods like participant photography or photo voice. I've been doing research in the areas looking at the process of Black social reproduction through education. I've been focusing on the educational experiences and outcomes for Black boys and men as they navigate P20 educational settings. Also been looking at contributing factors to Black male success, looking at some of the individual, the community, and institutional factors that contribute to the success of Black boys and men. In particular, I've been focusing on the educational experiences and outcomes of Black boys and men in the P20 pipeline, focusing on contributing factors to success, so looking at individual, cultural, and community, and institutional factors that contribute to the success of Black boys and men. I also look to document the range of masculinities and sexualities that Black men perform and express within different educational contexts. I just completed a study focusing on the experience of Black males attending a predominantly white university. And in this study, I was interested in looking at the perception of the campus racial climate, as well as the contributing factors to their success at the university. So their own agency, as well as some of the community cultural wealth they drew upon, including some of the institutional factors that helped them succeed at the university. What I've also found is that there's power in visual storytelling, right? So by engaging in visual methodologies with my participants and engaging in things like participant photography or photo voice, the students not only get to identify the issues of concern to them through the use of their image-making practices, but they also use the visual project as a way to kind of tell a different story, right? So to kind of push against some of the dominant narratives or discourse that exists around Black students, but present a different way of thinking around the Black experience and Black students attending predominantly white universities. And so the visual method itself becomes a site of liberation for our students and a way to get a visual insight into the experiences of Black students attending college universities here in the US. I've had the opportunity to work with undergrads, master's students, and PhD students here at Chapman University. And students who do work with me engage in all aspects of the research process. So they'll help with the design of the study, they'll help me submit through the IRB process, they'll be involved in data collection to some degree. They will all be involved in data analysis and conducting literature for the lit review. And so students, when they work with me, have an opportunity to really get a hands-on experience with the research and usually are engaged in all aspects of the project from the very beginning, the design, till the actual even analysis and the write-up of the manuscript. So I chose Attallah College because of its focus on equity and social justice and community-based research. And so I think my research connects with our college focus on changing education, changing the world, right? So the work I do hopes to think about new ways of supporting and educating our Black student population and creating environments, right, that are welcoming and inclusive for all of our students.